a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
It's your girl Disastrous Beauty, and I am coming back with another video. Today's video is obviously another wig review, but before we get into the video, I want to say, if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not going to cost you not one red cent. Also, if you like videos like this, make sure to like the video. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Hell to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. Now let's get into this wig. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking today was purchased by me with my own coins, and you guys know when it comes to a unit that I personally bought, I like to give myself a little shout out. So go Chrissy, go Chrissy, go Chrissy for purchasing a unit with your own coins, girl. You did the darn thing, all right? Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking is by Outre. It is from their sleeklay lace front part collection. It says on the stock card, flat lace finish. Lays flatter, lays better. This unit style is Brizella in the color 1B, and this unit is 400 degrees heat safe, and it does come with HD transparent lace. So the key features that they have on here about this unit is that it has a wider hand-tied lace part, extra hand-tied lace edges, pre-plucked hairline, humpless lace finish, natural baby hairs, and it's heat friendly. Then also on the stock card, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the pictures. They do have it in this really, really pretty color here. This one is like probably my favorite color, and it had to have been out of stock for me to not have bought it, girl, because I would have got her, okay? And then they also have it in this other really, really pretty color. I love this color as well, but this is like, ooh, I love everything about this color. So then on the inside, it's showing you guys the differences in the parts. So right here, this is showing you the regular part, and this one is showing the parting of units like this. And then right here, it's showing regular, and it's showing the sleeklay. And then on the back, it's just giving you guys the special colors. So that is everything that is on the stock card with this unit. Now, with this particular unit, when it comes to shed and tangling, honestly, I did not receive any straight out of the packaging. Like, it is straight out of the packaging, girl, so that's not to say that she won't at some point. Usually with my synthetic units, at some point, I expect it to tangle, especially in the nape area. But straight out of the packaging, she did not do any of the things. Also, I want to mention, as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, this unit is big head friendly. I did adjust the straps before I applied the unit to my head, but I am an average cap size. So when I judge whether or not a unit is big head friendly or not, if I have to adjust the straps, then to me, it is big head friendly. If I don't have to adjust the straps, then it is not big head friendly. That is purely only thing I can do, because I only got one head, girl, and that's the one that I'm rocking, okay? That's the head that I'm rocking. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me now let you guys watch me apply the wig, and then we can get into my pros and cons about this unit.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm janked up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm janked up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it.
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing I done slaved over. Gon' arch your back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I...
Alright, y'all, so we're gonna get into these pros and cons. We're gonna start with the cons, and then we'll go on into the pros. Honestly, y'all, my cons with this unit is the pricing. In my opinion, I feel like this unit is way too expensive for what you get. Like, I have had, I don't know how many wigs like this in in my wig history, okay? I love wigs like this. I feel like they have a more natural, everyday feel to them. But I feel like if a unit is not a frontal, I don't understand why it would be $40. Like, I just don't. Now, granted, it is like a T-part sort of wig, and I get that it has HD transparent lace, and I also get that the parting space is a little wider. But honestly, it's not a whole lot you can do with that parting space. You're still gonna have to if you want to wear it in a side part, you're gonna have to, you know, change your wig over, and it may be uneven and all of that. So in my opinion, despite the fact that it was pre-tweezed, despite the fact that it has HD lace, the con is the price. I feel like wigs like this should be in the $20 to $30 range at most. Like, that is just my personal opinion. But honey, I don't make wigs, so I don't know. Anyways, we can now get into the pros. Okay, so as far as the pros go, the pros are what I basically said in the cons, which is crazy enough, is the fact that it does have HD lace, and it does come with a pre-tweezed area. Like, those are pros to me. And also the fact that I feel like it is very beginner friendly and easy to apply. So all of those are definitely pros for me with this unit, despite the fact that I feel like in its price range it's not worth it. I feel like the pros are still really, really good. Okay, so would I recommend this wig? I think it depends on the person. I think it depends on the person. I think it depends on what you are looking for in a wig. Me personally, I don't mind buying it. I don't mind buying it. I love the texture of this unit. I forgot to mention that in my pros, but I love the texture of it as well. I think it just depends on your budget and who you are as a person. You know, what is that? Like, we all have budgets. We have wig budgets. We have decorating budgets. We have bill budgets. You know, I mean, not bill budgets. Sure, your bill gonna be what they gonna be. But you know, we all have budgets. So it just depends on what your hair budget is and if you think it's worth it. I think it is a really nice wig. I don't think you'll be disappointed if you buy it. But it just depends on what your wig budget is. Okay, if that makes any sense, I hope it does. So I do and I don't. I don't if $40 wig is not in your budget, sis, I would not recommend it. If it is in your budget, then yes, I would recommend it. That's what I'm gonna say. So anyways, we're gonna now get into this full 360. Obviously, I don't have to do a length check because, honey, she's not a long wig. So this is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way. All right, y'all. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Okay, so yeah, girl, let me know down below what you think about this unit. Let me know if you own this unit, if you think she is worth the coins. I am interested in hearing you guys' opinion down below. If you got the unit and you felt like it was worth the coins, I'm interested in hearing that. Let me know if you have it in a lighter color. Sometimes these units be different based on color. So let me know down below. I am really, really interested in hearing you guys' opinion. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already, follow me on all my social media platforms. I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.